Hey there, folks. Bill O'Leary here in this video. And what I want to talk about has to do with certain things about estate planning that common, typical person doesn't know about. So before jumping in, a quick introduction. Again, name's Bill O'Leary. I'm an attorney with Legacy Planning Law Group located in Jacksonville, Florida, focusing on the discrete, specific areas of estate planning, elder law, and probate and trust administration. So let's jump right in. What are some of the things that, common people don't really know or understand about estate planning? One, and put this in the category of a superstition. If I do my will, I'm going to die. Not true. But with some, that's a reason for them to put off the planning, and maybe they get caught short. Second, the second sort of misconception, if you will, I'm going to not worry about doing this planning, putting my will in place, et cetera, until I retire. Well, how many people you think get caught short waiting until that point? They say, well, I'm just going to wait till I retire, when really they should get a much earlier start on that. A will does not mean my family has to go through probate, okay? Well, here's the problem, that probate, it's a very long and expensive court process. But people will sometimes say, I don't need to worry about that probate because I have a will, so I've solved that problem for my family, and that is wrong. In many situations, even if you have a will, your family still has to go through probate. Or how about this? My family's not going to fight over my things. I tell you, death does funny things to people, and a family that otherwise was close, I've seen it time and time again, get frayed. You want to set clear expectations. Don't leave it to your family to figure it out. How about this? Well, I have a will and did it a long time ago when the kids were small. My wife and I, let's say, did it a long time ago, and we're still good. A lot of time has passed. Now the kids are grown. You need to update your wills. You have a very different family situation. Or how about this? I don't have enough assets to really, justify estate planning. Now, estate planning is just for really rich people. Not true. Estate planning is for everyone. It's for Main Street USA, okay? And so, and especially putting a trust in place is done all the time, sort of by the average Joe. How about this? Online forms are just as good and effective as using an experienced lawyer. I don't have much to say about that other than buyer beware. There was an interesting case going back 10 years that there was a dispute over an online will that was done, and it had a very fatal defect in it. Got litigated all the way to the Florida Supreme Court, and the final result made everybody unhappy. And one of the justices had a quote saying words to the effect, "This is why people hire a lawyer." Or how about this misconception? Doing estate planning is a lot of work. It's a lot of work. It's not. And if you want sort of a proof of that, just go to our website. We have a lot of reviews from people, Google reviews that say it was an easy and seamless process. The final thing that a lot of people don't understand about estate planning is not knowing where to start. How do I start? How do I get things started? Well, the best way to get things started is to go ahead and reach out to us by scheduling a free 15-minute discovery phone call. And that's where we basically get the conversation started. Scheduling is very easy. Just go to the link at the bottom of this video. Click on it. Takes you to our booking tool. Pick the day and time that works for you, and we'll jump on the call. Remember, like this video, okay, if you've enjoyed it, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, Bill O'Leary signing off for now. Go make it a great day and a better world.